Hello everyone, it's me Vanshu and welcome to Ramble Curry. Breakfast is one of the most important meal of the day. So let's make a very easy and simple egg mushroom cheese sandwich. Do show your support to the channel by sharing the video and leave your feedback in the comment section. You know what's free this year? Subscribing to my channel. So why not consider doing it, but it'll mean a million to me. So without further ado, let's get started. Our life is surrounded by different kind of sandwiches, and they are consumed during any time of the day. Let's start by cutting few mushrooms in small pieces. Few slices of onions and few slices of tomatoes. Slices of zucchini will be great to be served along with the sandwiches. Heat the pan and add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Keep frying the mushrooms for about a minute. When the sizzling sound reduces a bit, add some black pepper to it and a pinch of salt. Crack open an egg and make a sunny side up. A generous amount of butter is spread on both the bread slices. Time to assemble all the ingredients. By layering them with a butter lettuce, place the fried mushrooms carefully on top of the lettuce. Put a slice of your favorite ham and now extend the layer by adding the onions, tomatoes and 2 slices of cheese. Carefully slide the sunny side up egg on the sandwich and add a dash of smoked garlic mayo on top of it. Place the sandwich on the griller and set it to get grilled for about a minute. A perfect and easy sandwich is ready to be served.